My name's McKenzie, and I'm from Jacksonville, Florida, and I'm a senior in the International Community Development Program, or ICD for short, here at Columbia International University. During my junior year of high school, I got involved with World Relief, a ministry to refugees in Jacksonville. It was during this time that I discovered my desire to help displaced and marginalized people groups. I needed to know how to translate culture and how to help people to meet their needs in a completely different culture system. I looked at a lot of universities, but I chose CIU because I knew it would give me the spiritual grounding I needed to be effective in ministry, alongside practical skills needed to help people to build themselves and their communities on their own terms. The best example of this opportunity was to spend a semester in the HEART program located in Lake Wales, Florida. This is an immersion experience required for all ICD majors. We have to live in a mock rural village for 16 weeks. When I came back to campus, Dr. Raven, a professor in the ICS ICD department, asked me to help manage a local community garden project. This has been a great chance for me to hone my skills that I learned from the HEART program and to bring them home in a meaningful way. I hope to use this as a means for outreach for nearby residents, but the vision is for it to become a larger community-run ministry. Professors like Dr. Raven and Dr. Cashin and many more pour their time, passion, and knowledge into the classroom, and also network us with other successful ministries and organizations. During my time here, I've attended several trips and conferences, including a disaster relief effort during Hurricane Florence, a ministry-based trip to Honduras through my own home church, an Evangelical Missiological Society event where I got to share my research on women in Iran in church leadership. I'm confident that the ICD program is preparing me to spiritually impact this community alongside meeting people's practical needs. And in the future, I'm looking forward to working among different people groups as I prepare to do community development internationally.